Hello and welcome to Aarohan Coaching Institute. In our last lecture of Indian Polity, we discussed the Government of India Act 1919. Those who haven't watched the video, please go and watch it once you are done with this lecture. It will take just a few minutes and you will be able to understand it properly. In this video, we will discuss the Indian Statutory Commission, or as it was known, the Simon Commission. Before we start, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and give a thumbs up to the video so that we know our videos are helping you in your preparations. So without any delay, let's get started. In the Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms, or the Government of India Act of 1919, the British government declared that a commission would be sent to India after 10 years of the Government of India Act 1919 to examine the effects and operations of the constitutional reforms and to suggest more reforms for India. In November 1927, that is 2 years ahead of schedule, the British government appointed the Simon Commission. The Indian Statutory Commission was called Simon Commission as its chairman was Sir John Simon. Remember, the actual name of this commission was Indian Statutory Commission. It was a group of 7 members of parliament under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon. The commission arrived in India in 1928 to study constitutional reforms in India. One of its members was the future leader of the Labour Party, Clement Attlee, who became committed to self-government for India. The commission was strongly opposed by many Indian leaders like Nehru, Gandhi, Jinnah, the Muslim League and Indian National Congress, because it contained 7 members of the British Parliament, but this commission had no Indian members. All the parties boycotted the commission. However, it was supported by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The then Secretary of State for India was F.E. Smith. He feared that the ruling Conservative government of Britain was facing imminent electoral defeat at the hands of the Labour Party, and hence feared that the commission would be filled by its members and sympathizers. Therefore, the commission was appointed ahead of time. The Secretary of State for India, F.E. Smith, also ensured that there were no Indians in the commission, as he believed the Labour MPs and Indian members would join together. The Viceroy of India, Lord Irwin, too supported the decision to exclude Indians, as he too thought they would vote together with the Labour MPs. Reports of the Simon Commission. In the Government of India Act 1919, we found that the provincial subjects were divided into 2 parts, that is, transferred and reserved. The transferred subjects were to be administered by the governor with the aid of ministers of the Legislative Council, and the reserved subjects were to be administered by the governor and his executive council. This dual scheme of governance was known as diarchy. But the Simon Commission's report in 1930 recommended the abolition of this system of diarchy. It also recommended the extension of responsible government in the provinces. It advised the establishment of a federation of British India and princely states. The continuation of the communal electorate was approved by this commission. Most notably, the commission's report did not mention dominion status at all. The commission also recommended to retain separate electorates as long as intercommunal tensions between Hindus and Muslims remained. To consider the proposals of the commission, the British government convened 3 round-table conferences of the representatives of the British government, British India, and Indian princely states. On the basis of these discussions, a white paper on constitutional reforms was prepared and submitted for the consideration of the Joint Select Committee of the British Parliament. The recommendations of this committee were incorporated with certain changes in the next Government of India Act of 1935. So that's it for now. In the next video, we will discuss the Government of India Act 1935. So please go and watch other videos that we have uploaded and kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we know our videos are helping you in your preparations. That's all for now. Thank you so much.